Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Arkansas sales tax account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.portal.arkansas.gov. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on My Arkansas. Once you do this, you will be redirected to this page. So to check any of the government taxes and stuff, you need to tap on Access Gov to go. Once you tap this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and hit the continue button to get signed in. After this, type in your password and tap on the sign in button. Otherwise, you can even tap on create account if you have not created an account and fill in all the necessary credentials to create an account yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.